feesten is. Dus ik denk dat we van nu van links naar rechts gaan.
Of course it does. They're expecting. They said on the news yesterday they're expecting 100,000 Dutch supporters today, because it's only from the border to here. It's about an hour drive. 100,000 people. That's a lot. I'm confident about tonight, and that's because England are not playing really what they can. That's why I'm confident. Because if you pointed out everything, England is the better team. They have the better players, but they don't perform as they can. I hope for Cody that he makes 2 tonight and 2 in the final, and we be crowned European champions. But I don't really care about that, as long as we win tonight and win on Sunday. That's it.
Right, where's your man from Dudley? Okay. Let's take your name and where you're from. Yeah, my name is Mark. I'm from The Hague. Okay, Mark, so just try and sum up what it means to be a Netherlands football fan. I would say about 3-4 months ago, we didn't really have high hopes for Holland. No, and it didn't really, the vibe wasn't really there. But ever since we got through the group stages, we beat Romania. Yeah, then when it really kicked off and really started to come alive, yeah. Well, we will always have an orange heart, always. Yeah. No, I think the reason we will win tonight is because England has really difficult scoring against anybody, basically. Anybody.
It's a party. Everyone is happy. It's enjoying the game, the pleasure, supporting in the best way, I think. It's a harsh game. It's a harsh game. I think it will be near to each other and a close winner. A close winner. But I hope it's the Netherlands. I hope it's the Dutch. And that's for English television, I think. In the English game, I think Saka. Yeah, that's the one who's the best. And I think Bellingham has too much talk. He has to do it with his feet. He's very big football player.
It's amazing, man. everyone's just orange, so every way, and we're gonna beat England 2-1. I trust it. I trust it.
Is it always like this being a Dutch football fan?
Always.
Yeah,
we
I
are
think
very supportive.
always.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, we are very supportive. Always.
Yeah, we're the party starters.
Yes.
Nervous?
No, we're pretty excited.
Yeah,
right?
I think we have a chance to win.
Good chance to
Yes.
win. Yes.
Yes.
I think so too.
You don't want to hear that, but we think that.
I think 8 out of 10.
8 out of